Welcome back. This session, we are going to learn about which module to choose in SAP. I guess everyone has enrolled for this session only to hear this module because this is where everything starts. If you are a fresher, if you have a recent passed out from a college, so the first question that comes to your mind is, I heard from my friends that SAP has got huge collections of modules. Now, having said that, yes, SAP has got huge collections of modules. You would have by this time known by there are 25 plus modules in SAP, which is spanned across 6 industry sectors. Now, when situations are like this, you will be confused of which module to exactly choose for the betterment of your career. Now, to give you a very clear understanding, I have splitted this particular topic into 4 sections. One is a technical module. One is the functional modules. One is IS modules, which is also called as industry specific modules. And the final thing is the cloud-based modules. Now, I'm going to explain you a bit of each thing, like each module, like let us say technical module, we're going to see who is qualified for the technical modules. And when you're speaking about the function modules, who is going to be qualifying for the function modules? And IS modules, who is going to be qualifying for the IS modules? And we're going to see that in the detail. So anyone with any degree with coding added in their curriculum. So this I've already expressed deeply. If you have one paper as a coding paper in your allied or in your curriculum, then you would know what a technical coding means. So if you know that, you can definitely take this module. Now, the functional modules are, are very easily described as a non-coding module. So if persons from a non-coding background and if anyone from the technical background who doesn't like to code, they can definitely come into this particular module. And anyone with any specific specializations like chemical engineering, aerospace, defense, all these persons can get into the industry specific modules, which is shortened as IS modules. And finally, we have the cloud-based modules where anyone who has got a passion to reveal new products in SAP Stream, yeah, you have to go and start with the cloud-based products. So we are going to list out all the possibilities of who can take this, who should not take this, and what is the recommendation around each module. I'm going to reveal that in a very elaborate way in the coming session. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching this, and I'll catch you in the next session.